Well, the BRICKette was conceived to accommodate smaller spaces where you still have the critical nature and the demanding kind of atmosphere in terms of how you're handling it and positioning it.
The BRICKette is that perfect tool, and that's the thing that seems to impress everyone, is its size and its portability, the light output.
Where spaces are small, they're confined, you need a small light to go in, and so we have a small light with a lot of firepower.
Same type of certification as the brick, explosion-proof, Class 1 Div 1, Class 2 Div 1, combustible gas, combustible dust, wet location, and low voltage.
As always, we've paid great attention to mounting.
Well, the mounting options basically integrated into the handle where you rotate one of 5 different handles. You can then either hook the open end over something or you can tie it off to something, or with a magnetic handle you can slap it up against a piece of steel and then rotate it into position.
The handle is made in such a way that it's big enough that you could actually set it down and use it as a base. You can mount it to a surface, the magnet in the handle makes it sturdy. It feels really good in your hand.
For the BRICKette, we have tremendous flexibility in the power box, so we can power many lights.
You can run them in a string, up to 5 lights in a string, or you can do the Medusa model where you have multiple lights coming off one power box.
In the Medusa, you could have individual VC control so that the individual operator in each of those small spaces could control the light volume, light intensity.
The blast shields offer you that second layer of protection against your lenses when you're blasting, and even when you're painting. Bags to protect the whole fixture so it doesn't get coated. And then you have the dome diffuser, which it's proving to be really popular actually in the way that it takes that light and pulls it in and disperses it.
We have what's called a body wrap for places where the aluminum could be potentially damaging to anything, the superstructure of an aircraft, for example, but it gives us urethane between our aluminum body and anything that might be touched.
The thing that impressed me more than anything else about the BRICKette was the actual construction of it. It far surpassed my expectations. It's much more durable, they're energy efficient, it's the bright white light.
The ability to take and drop it, bang it, slam it is part of the construction process, part of the design criteria. The ability to handle it, drag it, pull it, any way you got to put it, get it into position is what it's designed to withstand.
I think we've set a new standard for the industry, and we've raised that bar and we've raised the expectation when you think about lighting.
And we clearly hit a home run with the BRICKette. The BRICKette, it makes your eye work better. I say that it turns switches on you didn't know were there.